me. My cat's right there. A lot of boxes here, mainly because I'm working on another project for my cat. My cat just woke up. So this box, I ordered a Cricut machine. It was kind of like an impulse buy. I know that this will be worth it, hopefully. Okay. Here's the box, the inside box. I ordered the mint green version. That's kind of like a really nice color, yes. Most of the I didn't even know it came with the board. I thought it doesn't come with the board, but this is bent, but whatever's. So there's a getting started package. It comes with a marker. I didn't even know that. Wait, is this marker or is it a cutting tool? Yeah, it's a marker. I can charge it or I'll power it up or whatever. I don't know if it has batteries or not. This is main interest. Okay, so it has a sticker right here. Really nice sticker too. It says, "Keep it looking new. Use this bag." Well, it's gonna be hard to reuse it if the sticker is hard to take off. So, okay. And the part that everyone loves the most is peeling the plastic. No close-ups because I don't actually have like a mini tripod. I just have this really big actual camera tripod that I thrifted. And I'm really happy I found this because it's a really good tripod. It has a nice finish here. It's like a different material, which is really fancy for some reason. Didn't need to be that fancy in my opinion. Especially for something that's supposed to be like an air version. Same on the back. Oh, there's the plugs. I also don't have any space to set up anything because if we look over here, there is no space on my desk. I have 2 monitors and I'm borrowing a sewing machine. If I were to put it on my desk, there would be no space. And if you look over here, this is my cat area. Even though I gave her an entire shelf, I could be putting this on the shelf, but she seems to prefer to sleep on that paper bag specifically. And if I go any further, it's just mirror and my closet and my guitar lily. And if you look right here, trash. But yeah, so I don't have any room as of right now. I could put it on the floor, but it's already occupied by things like this fallen frog. And the underneath my bed is also occupied, so that's what I was saying. So this is just a pen. Really nice pen, I guess. Can you focus? The beauty influencer thing actually works, oh my god. There's also the getting started thing. Hopefully it's not a CD because I don't have a, well, not CD, I meant DVD, because I don't have a DVD player. But I literally just moved it into this room, so I don't really have a lot of things. Oh, it's not a CD. Why does it like look like, I keep saying CD. Why does it look like a DVD cover thing? And there's just these cards. Number 1, unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Number 2, get connected. Just go to cricut.com/setup and we'll walk you through every step. Number 3, make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun! Number 4, bookmark this page. That's cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy! And it has this little welcome paper, has a little phone number to call, email, whatever's. Basically like how to like contact them. There's something in the back. This is a really nice book. Sadly it's bent somehow. It shouldn't have been bent, but whatever it is. Oh, you can see, you can kind of see it's like embedded in the back. Yeah. And basically the getting started book. The green is a different color in this book. This is the only green they have for the air, so I don't know what green this is from. Basically, if you want to read this either, I don't know. Basically, it's just like introducing like the machine, but if you're watching this, you probably already know what a Cricut is. If you don't, then education, yay! I mean, it would be fun to read, but my brain is fried. This is just a picture. There's not really much to do with this. I don't really see what the point of this little book is. Like, all, like, the money to make this book, why? There's no use for it. Because you, like, they literally tell you in the little green cards, just go to the website, so. And I guess this is like a quick start manual, but there was like a lot of stuff that is like irrelevant to quick start. What it says is a welcome book, and this is the warranty and the practice materials, I guess. Oh, it has a nice texture. I don't see any texture on the other side, but I already showed you this. Why is it not in focus anymore? Yeah, it has a nice texture. This one has texture on both sides, so. But this one only has texture on one. The other side is just like regular paper, but this side is textured. And this one that's bent is supposed to be practice, but whatever. So that's all that came in the box. You can probably hear my cat freaking wrestling in the back. Exposed. But yeah, now I'll just like set it up, I guess. Okay, so I have everything plugged in and I'm on the website right now. So I went to the setup site and basically I'm just choosing what machine I'm using. Now there's an app, so I have to download the app. Need any of this, or so I think. What am I supposed to do? Oh, it's blank. Both of these are blank. Or there's more. All of these are blank. What am I supposed to do? The first one, I guess. It's already on cardstock. I already did this. How do you open it? Oh, I'm so dumb. It says open right there. Oh, there's freaking. Oh my god. Okay, press this button. And this button, I guess. It's done. Yeah, there's a flower. Unload. Wow, look at this. A little flower. A little floor. A little floor. A flower. Flower. That's basically it. That was so easy.